In this video, I want to talk about why you might feel sick after practicing Qigong. So let's jump straight into the video and see what this is all about. You may feel sick after Qigong because your body is adjusting to changes in breathing, movement, and internal balance. For some people, especially beginners, the practice can bring awareness to tension, shallow breathing, or areas of imbalance. As the body begins to shift, this can sometimes feel like light nausea, dizziness, or discomfort. It can also happen if movements are done too quickly, breathing is forced, or the body is pushed beyond its current limits. Qigong is designed to be gentle. Slowing down, softening your breath, and reducing intensity usually helps these feelings settle. If symptoms continue or feel strong, it's best to stop and seek guidance before continuing. So that's really why people feel sick. We call them healing signs in my Qigong practice. So when you join the Breathwork Academy, I do issue a PDF where you get a list of healing signs. And this can be because the energy is starting to shift in the body. You're starting to move things that didn't move. You might be stretching areas that haven't been stretched out for a long time or even before. I found stretches, and I've done quite a lot of martial arts, but with the Qigong practices that I teach, I found stretches that I'd never done before, and that really started to shift the energy of the body. So you want to get all the meridians, all the danjons, the chakras, all flowing with energy. That's the idea behind it. And you can do this with Qigong. You can shift that, but this is why you sometimes can feel sick after Qigong. And let's have a look, see what you can do if you want to get a bit deeper with the Qigong with the Breathwork Academy. So we have a Qigong for beginners here. If you click the link around this video, you can get to Qigong for beginners. There's the healing power of Qigong and live online Korean Qigong classes, which is part of the Breathwork Academy journey. The journey is really, if you're a beginner, you start for free. It's a free membership. You get a 7-day free course, which is an introduction to Qigong. When you want to go deeper than that, there's a practice where you get live classes where you can get your consistency going because you've invested a small amount of money into the live classes. So every Thursday evening, every Sunday morning, you can get into the practice a little bit deeper so you're regularly doing it. And then if you want to go even deeper than that, we've got the John J membership, which is deepen your practice so that you get more mentoring and guidance with what's going on with your body. You get weekly calls with me. Basically, you can learn to teach at the Breathwork Academy. That goes through a membership application. You always have to apply for that. I have to make sure that we're a good fit together, see if we can work together to get you to the point where you're going to be an excellent Qigong instructor. And also for mastery, the same thing. There's an application process for that to make sure that we're a good fit. So if you click the link around this video, you're going to come to this area and go explore your full Qigong journey by clicking that button. But that's why you feel sick after Qigong. That can be what the reasons, many reasons for it. So that's all described. So if you want to go further, you can click the link around the video. If not, you can subscribe if you want to see more videos about Qigong. Till next time, I look forward to connecting with you very soon. Be well and keep shining.